Hi, I'm Jen. Now today's topic is codes in a digital logic. In the coding, when numbers, letters or word are represented by the specific group of symbols, it is said that the number, letter or word is being encoded. The group of symbols is called as a code. The digital data is represented, stored, and transmitted as a group of binary bits. This group is also called a binary code. The binary code is represented by the number as well as alphanumeric letters. And the advantages of this binary code is binary code are suitable for the computer applications. Binary code are suitable for the digital communications. Since 0 and 1 are being used, implementation become easy. The classification of binary codes are weighted code and non-weighted code. So first we see the gray code, BCD codes, XS3 codes, and ASCII codes. These are the different codes used in a digital system. Now first we see the gray code. Gray code is a non-weighted code and it is not arithmetic code. That means there are no specific weight assigned to the bit position. It has a very specific feature that only one bit will change each time the decimal number is incremented as shown in the above examples. Gray code system is a binary number system in which every successive pair of numbers differs in only one bit. Gray code is not a weighted code. That means it does not depend on positional value of digit. Gray code are very useful in the normal sequence of binary numbers generated by the hardware that may cause an error or ambiguities during the transmission from one number to the next. Now, how to convert binary number into gray number? Because we have only binary number. The most significant bit of the gray code will be exactly equal to the first bit of the given binary number. Means the first bit of binary number is exactly equal to MSB of a gray code. And the second bit of the code will be exclusive or XOR of the first and the second bit of a given binary number. Second bit of gray code is exactly equal to XOR of first and second bit of a binary number. And the property of XOR gate is if both the bits are the same, the result will be 0. And if they are different, the result will be 1. Means both the bit A and B are different, the output is 1 in a XOR gate. The third bit of gray code will be equal to the XOR of second and third bit of a given binary number. Now repeat above procedure for all bits, all binary bits to convert the gray. Now here we see one example of binary to gray conversion. Now convert 1001 binary to gray code. Now this is your 1001. Now property says the first bit is exactly equal to the MSB of gray code. Now first bit XOR with second bit of a binary number is equal to second bit of a gray code. Now 1 XOR 1 XOR with this 0, output is 1. This is the property of XOR gate. Now second XOR with the third bit of a binary will give a next bit of a gray code. Now both 0 XOR is 0. Now this 0, third 0 XOR with fourth bit of a binary is equal to 0, 1 is a 1. This is your gray code for binary 1001. Now one more example. Convert 11010001 into a equivalent gray code. Again, first bit of a binary is exactly equal to MSB, most significant bit of a gray code. Now this bit XOR with this, or first bit XOR with the second bit, 1 XOR 1 is a 0. Then second bit XOR with third bit and the output is 1, 0 is 1. Again third bit XOR with fourth, the output is 0, 1, 1. Fourth bit XOR with fifth bit and the output gray code is 1, 0, 1. Then fifth bit XOR with the sixth bit or a next bit and the output is 0, 0, 0. 0 XOR with 0 is 0. Then sixth bit XOR with the seventh bit, 0, 1 is 1. So the output of 11010001 binary and its equivalent gray code is 101101. This is your binary conversion, gray conversion. Now we see gray to binary conversion, reverse procedure, gray to binary procedure. Again, most significant bit of the gray code number as the primary digit of the MSB of binary digit. Again, see here, MSB of binary is exactly equal to MSB of a gray code. Now to get the next straight binary bit, it is use the XOR operation among the primary bit of MSB bit of the next bit gray code. Similarly, to get the third straight binary bit is used to XOR operation among the second bit of MSB bit of a binary to the third MSB bit of the gray code and so on. Now convert this gray to binary. Convert 0, 1, 0, 1 into equivalent binary. Again, first MSB bit of a gray code is exactly equal to binary code. So 0 to 0. And this 0 XOR with this one, first binary bit XOR with the second gray bit, and this 0 XOR 1 is 1. Again, this 1 XOR with this 0, we get a 1, 0, 1. Again, third binary bit XOR with last gray bit is equal to 1, 1, 0. So the gray of 0, 1, 0, 1 and its equivalent binary is 0, 1, 1, 0. Now one more example, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Again, first bit of gray code is exactly equal to the binary. Now binary bit XOR with gray bit, first binary or most significant bit binary is XOR with next bit of gray code. So 1 XOR 0 is 1. This 1 XOR with this one, again 1 XOR 1 is 0. This 0 XOR with this one, again 0 XOR 1 is 1. 1 XOR with this 0 and 1 XOR 0 is 1. 1 XOR with 1 0. So 1 XOR 0 is 1. So the output of 101100 gray code and its equivalent binary is 110111.